In this video, I'm going to teach you the TCL Note A1 NXTPAPER versus reMarkable 2 and see which one is better. So as you can see right here, I have in this article. As you can see, they have a paper-like screen that finally feels modern. So here is what it looks like. The display is 120 Hz refresh rate, while the e-ink rivals still battle with latency, ghosting, and major lag. The Note A1 feels instant when you scroll, pan, or sketch. It has a pen precision and tactile feedback details, which is good, with 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, so that you won't be able to actually do anything or do anything unnecessary. It has high palm rejection, and the pen magnetically attaches to the side of the tablet. So even though the Note A1 is based on Android, you would barely know it because there's no app drawer. It just looks like a note-taking option. So it's good as an alternative, respected, and remarkable option because the remarkable problem has been circulating. It has bare bones ports like the remarkable and the full Android slabs with Notes app tracked on. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.